Hello, my name is Henry. I will be your guide for today's session. I studied meditation in the Himalayas, and for the last 8 years I've been helping people to establish a daily meditation practice. Today's session is about how do I stop my mind from wandering. Let's begin. Please find yourself in a comfortable seated posture, spine erect, head up, eyes and mouth closed, and bringing our awareness to the tips of the nostrils. We will simply observe the flow of air as it passes the tips of the nostrils, exhaling, inhaling. A wandering mind is part of the meditation process. To reduce its impact, we can do a few things. We can start with shorter sessions, maybe 1 minute, 2-minute sessions. If you're prepared, 5 minutes, so on and so forth, gradually building up. We can do what we're doing right now, which is using guided meditations. These help to provide structure and to keep you focused. We can also practice mindfulness outside of meditation by bringing attention to everyday tasks like eating or walking. Bring your awareness back to the breath, simply observing the breath. And now we'll bring our awareness to the lower legs. Relax the lower legs. Relax the upper legs. Relax the pelvis and the hip area. Relax the stomach and the abdomen. Relax the chest and the heart center. Relax the shoulders. Relax the jaw, the corners of the mouth. Relax the forehead. Now we'll bring our awareness back to the tips of the nostrils, simply observing the breath as we inhale and as we exhale. As this session has passed, our minds have wandered. Here, there, some places we would like to wander, some places that we wouldn't like to wander. This is okay. This is normal. This is what the mind does when it does not have a focal point. Bring your awareness back to the tips of the nostrils. If you are walking, bring your awareness to the tips of your nostrils. If you are driving, bring your awareness to the tips of your nostrils. This will help you. When I started meditating, 2 minutes here and there were very beneficial. Bring your awareness back to the tips of the nostrils. Namaste.